Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're going to unbox the OneTouch A4 Analog Video Door Phone Kit. If you're looking to enhance your home security and communication, this could be the perfect solution for you. It can be used to monitor, call, intercom and unlock. Suitable for villa, single house, hotel, office, and etc., it gives you the combined benefit of security and convenience. The OneTouch Video Door Phone Kit consists of user manual, a detailed guide that provides step-by-step instructions, angular mounting brackets, used for securely installing the outdoor camera unit, equipped with a high-resolution camera for capturing clear images and videos of visitors. Indoor monitor unit, features a display screen and controls for interacting with visitors, and all the accessories needed to install the devices. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please refer to the user manual or reach out to Formigo technical support.